Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making chocolate cake. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we are going to sift all our dry ingredients in a large bowl over a sifter. We are going to sift all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and unsweetened cocoa. Next, mix well with a whisk, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on our wet ingredients. In a large measuring cup, mix milk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and 2 beaten eggs. Mix well until well combined, then pour the mixture into the dry ingredients. Now mix all the ingredients together using a whisk. Guys, you can use a handheld mixer or electric mixer. I prefer to use a whisk because this recipe only needs 2 minutes of mixing. After mixing for 2 minutes, pour in hot coffee and mix for another 1 minute. The mixture should look runny. After 1 minute of mixing, this is how the mixture should look. It should look runny like this, guys. Now let's go ahead and grease the baking dish. Now pour the batter in a greased baking dish. I'm using a 9 by 13 inches Pyrex baking dish. Now we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. I just pulled my cake out of the oven. It baked for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna do the toothpick test. Remember guys, you have to poke the cake with a toothpick on different spots, and when it comes out clean, that means that the cake is done. I like mine to have a little bit of crumbs. I don't like a dry cake, okay? The cake has been sitting out for almost 6 hours, guys. Now it's time to frost our cake. If you want the recipe for the chocolate frosting, I'll leave the video link in the description box. Go check that video, guys. That's where you'll get the chocolate frosting recipe. This cake will work great for larger crowds. You can cut the pieces as generous as you please. You can cut into 2 inches by 2 inches pieces for 24 servings or 2 inches by 3 inches pieces for 18 servings. Next, decorate the cake with the colored sprinkles. Let me know what you think about this recipe, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now guys, it's time for a taste test. Guys, look at this. It's rich, fluffy, moist. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my